People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So people, remember the other day I was telling about the Jamaican Michael Jackson, aka the ghetto Michael Jackson. May I tell people from a long time, Jamaicans on a whole is the best set of people in the whole wide world. We have talent galore. The island is full of talent. So as I was saying, remember me telling about Jamaican Michael Jackson. So right now we have a Jamaican Spider-Man. Yes, people, I said it. Jamaican Spider-Man. You heard it here first. The original Jamaican Spider-Man. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to people. Him have some moves there, where, he can work with. Him can go on. Him not too shabby. But here, check out that clip and tell me what you think. People, so there you have it, the Jamaican Spider-Man. People, may I tell you, when we have talent like this, we have to embrace it, because this could be, we could have an Olympian on our hand right now, A whole gymnast we could have right pa our hand and we don't even know to compete in the Olympics. You see me, I say, when we have talent like that, we have to find different avenues for them explore and, and show off them and showcase them talent, people. May I tell you, coronavirus make everybody explore them inner talents. You see me? You don't know how Jamaicans them roll already. And talent are given with at the front of the line. You don't know, people. Big up yourself. Thanks for watching this video. And you don't know, as I said, we have whole more videos forward.